My name is Navya. Your father name is?
My father name is Nadesh. Your father name is?
My father name is Madhya Prasad. Your mother name is?
My mother name is Kavita. Your mother name is?
My mother name is Shashikar. Your brother name is?
My brother name is Jayasha. Your brother name is?
My brother name is Adi. Your sister name is?
My sister name is Pratiksha. Your sister name is?
My sister name is Ganavi. Your grandmother name is?
My grandmother name is Mahadevam. Your grandmother name?
My grandmother name is Geeta. Your grandfather name is?
My grandfather name is Shivana. Your grandfather name is?
My grandfather name is Madhav Shetty. Your favorite food?
My favorite food is puliyogre. Your favorite food?
My favorite food name Wangibat. Your subject?
My favorite subject is EVS, English, Kannada, and Maths. Your favorite subject?
My favorite subject English and Kannada.
Your light color?
My light color is orange and purple. Your light color is?
My light color is orange, white, green. Your favorite dress?
My favorite dress lehenga. Your favorite dress?
My favorite dress is chudidar. Your favorite color?
My favorite color is red and blue.
Okay, thank you. Nice to meet you. And next morning 6 o'clock meet. Bye.
Bye.